relax those shoulders just a little bit. You're forcing it. Same thing on back stroke. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Now, if you notice your knees are coming up. Knees should never come to the surface. You should only have the tops of your feet at the surface. That's a little better turnover. Freestyle looks good. Keep those shoulders relaxed.